Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by putting your phone on the new Wi-Fi network and turning on Bluetooth so devices can find each other. Once done, plug the Google Home into power and wait for the indicator to show it's ready. Next, open the Google Home app and sign in with the Google account linked to the speaker. This ensures the app shows your device. Make sure location permission is allowed so the app can scan for nearby devices immediately. You'll tap the device card in the Home app and go to Settings, then Wi-Fi to change networks. This is where the app tells your speaker to join the new SSID. Next, choose Change Network, select the new Wi-Fi name and type the password exactly, because case and symbols matter. If the device prompts to update firmware, allow it now and keep the speaker plugged in. Updates complete the network switch and prevent dropouts later. You should verify the change by asking the speaker a simple command and playing audio. If it responds, the network switch is complete. If it doesn't connect, restart the router, your phone, and the Google Home, then try again. Many issues clear with a reboot. If problems persist, check the Wi-Fi frequency, too. 4 GHz vs 5 GHz and credentials, and as a final step, perform a factory reset by holding the reset button until you hear.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.